Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make automatic updates work again in Windows XP. Let's get into the video. Now, before we begin, I'd like to mention that you need to have Service Pack 3 installed on your Windows XP machine. To view that, hit the Windows key and R at the same time to open the Run box here, and in the text type winver. You'll be able to see some specs of the system's version, and you can see here I have Service Pack 3 installed. Now, if yours says Service Pack 1, Service Pack 2, or there's not even a Service Pack here, it means you don't have Service Pack 3. And you need to go to the description below, and for example, if you have Service Pack 2 installed, you'll need to download the Service Pack 3 exe file from the Windows Update Catalog, and then just run that, and then you're all set. You have the Service Pack 3 installed. You just need to proceed with the installation. And if you have Service Pack 1, I'm not entirely sure if you can go straight from Service Pack 1 to Service Pack 3, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Install Service Pack 1, or sorry, if you have Service Pack 1, install Service Pack 2 and then Service Pack 3. But if you have the RTM version, then install the one after the other, so Service Pack 1, 2, and 3. After you've done that, you're all cleared. You need to download the Windows Update Agent exe file, which is in the description below. We're going to run it. And again, I'm running the x86 version of this. And if you want the 64-bit edition, you just need to download the 64-bit version of these files. So I'm just going to click Next here and click I agree in the license agreement. Click Next. And it'll say the Windows Update Agent is being installed. It'll say updating registry, it's doing its thing, and it'll say you successfully installed the Windows Update Agent. After that, click Finish. And then you need to reboot your system because normally you need to reboot it so it takes a full effect. And sometimes it'll give you the prompt to reboot your computer, other times it won't. But of course, better be safe than sorry. Reboot your computer, and then we'll proceed with the next steps. Alright, after you've restarted your computer, you need to run the registry file, which will also be linked in the description below. Just double click on it. It'll say, are you sure you want to add this information to so-and-so, blah, 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 blah. And just click yes and click OK. And of course, with every other thing that we're going to be doing, to make sure it takes full effect, and especially with registry files, you need to restart your computer. I know it's a little time consuming and a pain, but it's worth it to make sure everything works without any problems. So I'll be back once we restart the computer. Alright, so now we've restarted our computer, and the last thing we need to do, even though we don't necessarily need to do this if you're on Service Pack 3, you need to open and run the root certificate update, which is the root SUPD file, so you can double click on that. It'll say the root certificate April 2016, blah, blah, blah. Just click OK. And as I said before, it's just recommended to have Service Pack 3 because, of course, our goal here is to A, enable automatic updates, and B, basically get our system secure with all the updates that Windows XP had from the time that it was supported. So we will run that, and after that, you need to go back to the run window here, and you need to type wuauclt space / detectnow and hit enter on your keyboard, and you should see, like in a yellow guard, the shield, if you know what I mean. Similar to this. If that doesn't pop up, you need to go to the start here. You need to go to Control Panel. You can go to the Security Center, and you'll see the automatic updates box right here. We don't need that right now, and we're just going to scroll down until you see the Manage Security Settings for. There's Internet Options, Windows Firewall, and then you will see Automatic Updates. Click that and set the setting here, and click the box here that beside Notify Me, but don't automatically download or install them, meaning it'll notify you that updates are available, but it won't automatically download or install the updates. So we're going to click Apply, click OK. We can close out of the control panel and that there. And if you'd like, you can hit the Windows key and R and just type again wuauclt / detectnow, but I should have it filled in already since that was the last command you used. And again, hit enter, and it'll take effect. Now you may need to wait a couple minutes or maybe even a few seconds for the icon to pop up, And again, it's fetching all of the updates, and there are a lot of updates. Now, trust me when I tell you this, there's a lot. So you need to have a little bit of patience, wait a little bit until you see the icon pop in the corner, and I'll be back with you guys once it pops up. Alright, as you can see, 27 minutes later, it's finally found all the updates, and you can see this pop up right here that says updates are ready for your computer. Click here to download these updates. Click the icon right here, and you can see there's just one update right here. Just download this real quick, and then after this, you will start getting a load of updates. So I'm just going to click download, and you'll see the icon may or may not go away, and in my case it did go away. It'll reappear, don't worry. But just have a little bit of patience, just download the update, and I'll be back once it's finished downloading. Alright, now it's finished downloading the updates, and it says updates are ready for your computer. Click here to install these updates. So you'll just click the icon right here. You're going to select Custom Install Advanced, then click Next. Make sure that Update for Windows XP and whatever is selected. And if you don't get this update and you get a bunch of updates, make sure they're all checked with the checkbox so they will install. You can double and triple check and then click Install. It'll say these updates are being installed, and then it'll minimize the window. You can view the progress by clicking the icon in the bottom right hand corner, but as you can see, it's already finished. It's gone because it installed the update. Now what you're going to want to do is hit the Windows key and R, and make sure to type wuauclt, hit enter, and you're going to repeat this process until you've gotten all the updates. And remember, in between each, well, let's say each wuauclt command that you do, make sure to reboot your computer. So after you finished installing the updates, you're done. Hit the Windows key, restart your computer, and then do the wuauclt command, and then you'll see the pop-up right here in the bottom right hand corner. Click it, and now you'll see all of these updates have popped up. There is just like so many updates, it's crazy. And you can see like Windows Internet Explorer 7 for Windows XP, Windows Media Player 11, which I'm pretty sure is the second latest Windows Media Player as of this recording. And we're in Windows 11 now. So we're going to click download, and if you want to see the progress, you can just hover on top of the icon and it will say downloading updates 0%. But that number will of course go up, and if you can see already, 37%. Alright, so successfully downloaded the updates, and now we have a prompt telling us that the updates are ready to install. We need to click the icon in the bottom right hand corner in the system tray. Then of course we'll get the same message, and of course you can see here it says Windows found 141 updates, which is a very crazy amount. There are many more updates that need to be installed after this. So there's probably around like 200, 230 updates at least. So as we did before, we need to click Custom Install Advanced, highlight that, and then click Next. You can scroll through all of these, make sure everything is checked, double and triple check just to make sure everything is highlighted, so it's ready to be installed, and then click Install. You'll get this window of course pop up, and it'll be minimized. And now that it's going to take a couple minutes to install all these updates, then just click the icon right here, and you can view the progress on how it's doing on installing the updates. As you can see here, it says it's installed update 21 of 141, and it's going rather fast. We're already on update 24 out of 141. So of course you can see the overall progress right here where the mouse is, and you can see here the update that it's installing, and if it's done, if it's failed, and in this case so far everything's looking not too bad. we go. We've successfully installed 140 updates. And the reason why I'm saying that is, unfortunately, one of the updates did not get installed. But that's okay because we got 140 updates installed, which is crazy. And we have successfully got automatic updates working again. And we're not using the Windows Update mini tool. We're doing this legitimately using the actual Microsoft automatic updates, like software, like how it was meant to be, how it was originally used in Windows XP. It's up and working again. And of course, if we want to make these updates effective, if we want them to work, we need to click the Restart Now button, and we'll click that, and I'll be back with you guys once it restarts. Alright, there we go. We've successfully got automatic updates working again in Windows XP. And to make sure, well, to show you that it's worked, you can see here that the search 4.0, as Microsoft/Windows calls it, it's been added so you can search for stuff on your desktop. And if we go to the Start menu, we can see that Internet Explorer has been updated from, I'm pretty sure it was like Internet Explorer 5.0 or something like that. Now it's updated to Internet Explorer 8.0. So after you finish that, you've restarted your computer, you're not finished just yet. You need to go back to the Windows, well, the run command here, and type the wuauclt /detectnow, hit enter, wait for the pop-up to come here in the system tray, click that, download the updates, and then install them, restart your computer, and repeat the process until you have all the updates installed. So, thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, please make sure to subscribe to the channel, like our videos, share our videos with a friend, turn on the notifications, and leave a comment down below telling us your opinion on this video, if it worked for you, or the troubles you're having, and we will be there to help you. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.